Device lock. To enter device lock on your thermostat, simply press the Next button to access the menu, then use your dial to scroll through until you see device lock at the top of the screen. Press Next to enter. Here you can use your dial to select between options such as full or partial, with full descriptions in the Advanced Settings menu. Once you are happy with your selection, press Next and you will see Auto appear on the screen. Use your dial to select between Auto or Manual. Once happy, press Next and you will have a prompt to enter a PIN. The default PIN is always 0000. Simply press Next to flick through until this is fully entered and you will have the option to change the PIN. Use your dial to select between yes or no and next once you are happy with your selection. Here you can select your minimum and maximum set point temperatures. Simply press Next once you are happy with your selections. Once complete, you will see that the thermostat can only be adjusted between the minimum and maximum settings.